Ready to ditch the credit card shuffle and unlock a world of Nintendo games with the ease of PayPal? First things first, power up your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the Nintendo eShop icon. It looks like a shopping bag with the Nintendo logo on it. Go ahead and select it to open the eShop. Once you're in the eShop, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It usually has your Me or chosen avatar. Select your icon to access your account information. On the user information screen, scroll down until you find Nintendo account in your settings, then select it. A new page should load. Here select Shop menu. Once on the Shop menu page, select Payment Method. Here you will have two payment method options, credit card and PayPal. Select PayPal. You'll be prompted to link your PayPal account. This will open a secure browser window. Enter the email address and password associated with your PayPal account and log in. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Nintendo to use your PayPal account for purchases now. Whenever you buy a game, subscription, or DLC, you can breeze through the checkout using PayPal. Enjoy your new hassle-free payments on Nintendo Switch.